Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and sorry about the Humantay Lake videos. I haven't talked that much because I'm still struggling with the altitude, but I will try my best to put descriptions on what we did. With that note as well, I canceled my last hike tour, but I booked myself a chocolate workshop here. The name of the place is ChocoMuseo. So in the description it said that we will make our own chocolate from scratch. So yeah, let's go. back here at Lima Airport. I'm waiting for my flight to Madrid, then to London Heathrow. Went to Humantay Lake, so it's almost half of the Everest. So I was not feeling well at the time, but it was so beautiful. So try to have 2 to 3 days to get used to the altitude. Then after that one, maybe you can think of going to Humantay Lake or Rainbow Mountain. Rainbow Mountain was my last excursion supposed to be, but I canceled that one because my body can't take it anymore. I was having severe headache. So instead, I make chocolates. Did you know that Peru is one of the largest exporters of cacao? I learned to make it from scratch and appreciate more chocolates whenever I eat it, because it's not easy one. I think this is the last video for the Peru series. So yeah, that's it for now. See you for the next vlog adventure.